Jira Dashboards help teams track progress at a glance. But did you know you can share them, start favorites, or even display them on wallboards? Let's break it down. Need a dashboard? Go to Dashboards, view all dashboards. Here, you can search any dashboard by its name, owner, or project. Found one you love? Click the star icon to save it to your favorites for quick access. For team displays or TVs, you can use wallboards. Just open any dashboard, click More Actions, View as Wallboard to hide menus. Want a slideshow? Configure it under More Actions, Configure Wallboard Slideshow. Here you can set intervals, shuffle order, and done. Your wallboard theme matches your Jira settings. You can personalize it under Personal Settings, Theme, for a seamless look. You can also share dashboards or even individual gadgets via smart links in Confluence. First, click the link icon on a dashboard or gadget. Then, paste the URL into Confluence Smart Link option. You have the option to embed it in Pages, Blogs, or even your Spaces navigation. Now, you're a Jira Dashboard Pro. Start, share, and display data like a boss.